Camping trips with family and friends are full of fun and adventure. But to make your camping trip comfortable, you should have some camping gear with you. REI.com is one-stop camping gear solution for many outdoor enthusiasts, and you can get your desired gear within a reasonable price range from REI website. There are a lot of camping gear on REI.com, and to help you choose the perfect camping gear for your trip, we have listed the top 10 camping gear on REI.com that you can get to enhance your camping trip. Getting the right light setup can often pose a big problem. It can often mean having to get long extension cords and wires in order to get the lights to where you want them to be. That's where the solar string lights can help you. The MPOWERD Luci solar string lights boast 10 LED nodes with dual directional LEDs per node that can provide 100 lumens of light to illuminate your campsite. There are 3 modes on Luci's solar string to adjust the brightness to your choice. With one full charge by solar power or USB, the battery will last up to 8 hours on high and 20 hours on low. You can also charge your phone with it. At 18 feet long, the nylon braided cord includes 3 uniquely designed clips to make them easy to hang in a variety of situations, from off-grid adventures to camping. The Luci solar string lights are self-contained in a durable and water-resistant case that keeps them safely and neatly warmed. This is clearly an impressive product and one that comes with a high level of usability. Not only that, but its resistance to water, dust, and its overall build quality makes it a very appealing product. No matter where you go in the outdoors, there's one thing you're bound to encounter: mosquitoes. Stopping mosquitoes with sprays can be messy and unpleasant in outdoors. What if we could stop them even before they can bother you? The Thermacell MR300 portable mosquito repeller creates a 15-inch no-fly zone for pesky mosquitoes so that you can enjoy your time in outdoors without being bothered. It comes with 3 repellent mats and 1 fuel cartridge for up to 12 hours of refills. It has an interior heating element to activate the mosquito repellent, which creates a zone of protection that stops mosquitoes before they can get close enough to bite. There is no scent, no open flame, no recharging, and no cords. Just a quiet, invisible shield of insect repellent around your campsite, tailgate, or backyard get-together. Its compact, lightweight size makes it portable and easy to store or pack on the go. In any hiking trip, it's important to have proper communication system, as network can become weak or unreachable in some places, and for that, you should always have the Garmin InReach Mini, a powerful satellite communicator that keeps you connected no matter where you are. It comes preloaded with 500 waypoints and locations with 20 routes to show you the right path on any hiking trip. This device allows you to send and receive text messages and emails, or trigger an SOS message from the device without any hassle. You can conveniently track and share location with friends and family on web-based map share portal by using this device. It features a powerful rechargeable battery, which can last for up to 90 hours in tracking mode and a whopping 24 days in power save mode. Plus, this device has IPX7 water rating, which allows you to use it in wet conditions worry-free. The Garmin InReach Mini is a great communication device to have in any hiking trip and is widely used by professionals in many expedition trips. Cooking in outdoors for family and friends can be problematic, plus especially in winter, you cannot even survive without warm water. Anyways, you can solve this problem easily with Jetboil Flash. Jetboil specializes on making outdoor cooking gear and accessories for outdoor lovers. They manufacture some of the best cooking stoves for outdoor on the market. The Jetboil's Genesis Base Camp system is the ultimate all-in-one backcountry cooking system, makes your outdoor trip full of fun. Optimized for 3-season performance and engineered for lightning-fast boil, the Jetboil Flash can boil a liter of water within 100 seconds, making it the ultimate personal system for dehydrated meals, coffee, soups, and tea. Equipped with an improved valve design, the Jetboil Flash is capable of producing 4,500 to 9,000 BTUs of heat, which is faster than its previous version. It comes with a convenient push-button igniter and a color change heat indicator, which lets you know exactly when the water boils. Equipped with flock stirring technology, it reduces boiling time with half the fuel consumption of traditional systems, which makes it super efficient to use with limited fuel in outdoors. The Jetboil Flash can be your perfect cooking companion that lets you cook delicious dishes in outdoors easily and makes your camping more fun. Keep all of your camping food fresh and drinks icy cold with Coleman Xtreme Cooler, a feature-packed cooler that ensures all of your food and beverages stay fresh and cool. This portable cooler offers a massive 70-quart storage space where you can keep all of your camping food in place and keep them organized. This cooler can keep ice up to 5 days at temperatures up to 90°F thanks to its insulated lid and extra insulation in walls so that you can easily extend your camping trip. Its leak-resistant channel drain lets you remove excess water without tilting the cooler, while its lid supports weight up to 250 pounds so that you can always have a place to sit and rest. It comes with comfort grip, no crush handles for easy, pin-free carrying, while its easy clean top uses a smoother surface that easily wipes clean. Carry all of your camping gear comfortably with REI Co-op Flash 22 Pack, a feature-packed backpack that is designed to keep all of your camping gear in one place. This backpack offers a 22-liter storage space and comes with multiple storage compartments and pockets to keep your items organized. It comes with padded shoulder strap, waist belt and sternum strap that allows you to carry heavier loads with you wherever you go. Its mesh bag is soft, breathable and lightly padded for comfort. This backpack has an internal sleeve to hold a hydration reservoir, including a port to route the seat tube over either shoulder. It features stash side pockets to securely hold water bottles and other trail essentials. It also features side exterior loops, which can be used to lash on extra gear or add compression. The REI Co-op Flash 22 Pack is the perfect carry solution for all of your camping gear comfortably. without the perfect sleeping bag, having a good night's sleep at campsite can be stressful. That's why you should have the NEMO Switchback sleeping pad, a super comfy sleeping pad made to keep you comfortable. Its metallized thermal reflective film reflects heat back to your body and is durable, use after use, so that you can stay warm and cozy on any camping trip. The sleeping bag's highly efficient hexagonal nesting pattern allows for taller, wider nodes, providing great plushness without increasing pack size. Its premium dual-density, abrasion-resistant axiatomic foam offers a supple top layer for comfort, while its resilient lower layer offers premium support and years of adventures. Its space-efficient design allows for 20% more thickness in a folded package that's smaller than the industry standard, allows you to carry it with you on any camping trip. You can use the NEMO Switchback sleeping pad for ultralight durability and comfort, or pair with another pad for extra insulation in extreme cold conditions. Who doesn't want to enjoy a cold drink on a Sunday afternoon while sitting on their camping chair on campsite? That's why you should have the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocketship. This chair comes in a unique foldable design that easily folds flat for storage and transportation. It also has a mesh backrest for ultimate seating comfort. It comes with a sturdy powder-coated steel frame that supports weight up to 250 pounds. It also includes padded armrests and built-in beverage holder for versatility. It features patented spring action rocking technology that delivers smooth rocking motion anywhere in outdoors. You can open and close the chair easily with patented Easy Fold technology and carry it with you on any camping trip with its carry handle. Sit comfortably on any campsite and enjoy the trip to the fullest with GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocketship. Stay warm and cozy on any camping trip with REI Co-op Siesta 30, a durable sleeping bag built to keep you warm on any campsite. It comes with polyester synthetic fill, which is warmed down to about 30 degrees Fahrenheit, while its offset kilt construction prevents cold spots and stabilizes the insulation. Its dual two-way zippers let you unzip the foot section separately for customized ventilation. You can also separate the top and bottom to use the bag as a kilt. This sleeping bag's polyester shell is treated with a durable, water-repellent finish to repel moisture and stains and keep you dry in wet conditions. It includes a two-stage mesh nylon storage bag that expands to provide relaxed mesh ventilation or compresses to smaller size for transport. The REI Co-op Siesta 30 can keep you warm and comfortable on any campsite and allows you to enjoy a good night's sleep after a long day of adventure. You cannot imagine a camping trip without a camping tent. That's why you should have the Big Agnes Tiger Wall UL2 tent, a feature-packed tent that is built to provide you home-like comfort on campsite. This 3-season tent offers ample sleeping space for up to 2 people with a 39-inch head height so that you can always have a roomy environment inside the tent. It features dual zipper doors that provide easy in and out access of the tent while keeping pesky bugs out and prevents air condensation inside the tent. It has 2 interior mesh pockets, 1 oversized mesh pocket, 2 cord routing portals where you can keep your small camping gear organized. Its fly and floor are silicone treated nylon ripstop material and comes with 1200mm waterproof polyurethane coating to keep you dry in rainy days. The big Agnes Tiger Wall UL2 tent can provide you home-like comfort on any campsite and lets you enjoy the camping trip to the fullest. So that was all about the top 10 camping gear on REI.com. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.